I'm in the Costco parking lot. I'm about to head inside and check out this greenhouse. I've been wanting to see it in person for a really long time and wanted to share along the journey with you. Now, the greenhouse looks beautiful. It's in the back section of Costco, so you'll definitely want to check out that area. It is new to this season, so we'll talk a little bit about the pricing, which is $1,349.99. And this is if you pick it up there. I did notice if you order online, it is a little bit more expensive, so beware. I do love the black finishings on here, although I noticed that they caused a lot of wear and tear, especially on the door, which a lot of individuals do talk about not being the best door, and you need to add a little bit more here to make sure that it actually does stay closed and it isn't gonna kind of swing open and closed. Now you can prop the door open. I did notice here that whoever did set this up just set it up incorrectly, so it wasn't working, but as long as you just turn that around, it definitely would have worked. But going inside, I really thought it was a nice, beautiful setup. There's definitely room for more tables on the left hand here, but you have a nice open space. You have nice top shelves that you can store a good amount of seedlings on. And then you have your nice, deep main shelves, which you can also be putting a lot of goodies on. There's a bottom section as well that you can store some things. And one thing I do want to point out is it does look like there is some wear and tear from setup. So this can definitely happen while you're setting yours up, and you're going to want to be mindful. It is not made of steel. It is definitely made of a bit cheaper of a material given the price here. So it says that it's made of cedar. It smelled so much like cedar, had a nice vent on the bottom and the top, and was generally just very roomy on the inside. I was a big fan, although I do wish, again, there was more shelves, and I'd probably add more shelves. There's definitely room to add a little doorknob here and a few more finishing touches, but overall, I was really happy with this greenhouse and what it had available.